Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Now let's see next operator, that is bitwise operators. Python bitwise operators act on bits and perform bit by bit operations. Bitwise operators are used to compare binary numbers. Let's see bitwise operators. Let's see, first operator is AND operator. And how we can use it, let me take z equals to, let's say, 20 and c equals to 10, then we will print a and b, or z and c. Let's run the code. You see, it is printed 0. It is checking both the variables bit by bit. Okay. Next operator is OR operator. That is this one. So let's print Z C. Let's print. You see, it is 30. It is OR, right? Next operator is bitwise NOT. It is this one. It is called bitwise NOT. We can say print Z NOT. So this way we can use this operator. It is minus 21. Okay. Next operator is XOR, bitwise XOR it is called. Its symbol is this one, right? Let's use it. X C. This way we can get the value 30. Next operator is bitwise right shift. That is these two greater than symbols. That is right shift. We can print this operator as well. Let's say Z bitwise right shift and say C. Let's run the code. You see, value is 0. It is fine. Next operator is bitwise left shift. That is double less than. Print Z left shift C. Let's run the code. It is this 20,480. This is the value. This is correct. Next type of operators in Python is assignment operators. That is assignment operators. Python assignment operators are used to assign values to the variable. That is very simple. So our first operator is assignment, that is represent as equal operator, and we can say we can take any variable like q equals to 10, and we have taken, let's say, v equals to 20. Then we are saying q equals to v. Let's print q. You see 20 is printed because we have assigned v variable to q and v has value of 20, right? Next type of assignment operator is this plus equals. So it add right side operand with left side operand and then assign to left operand. Okay, for example, q plus equals to v, and then we are printing q it will print 40. Did you get this? How it became 40? Because initially we have assigned value 10 to q, then we have taken new variable value with 20, then we assigned v's value of v to q. That's why both variables has the value of 20 and 20, and then it is summing up the value for both the variables. Let's see another assignment operator, that is minus equal. It subtracts right operand from left operand and then assign to left operand. What is that meaning? This is, let me take the same thing, q minus equals to v, then we are printing q. Let me comment this out. Now what it will return? It will return 0 because q and v has the value of 20 and 20 each, and 20 minus 20 becomes 0. Okay. Now I will leave rest of the assignment operators on you. You have to practice yourself. Alright. Now let's discuss another type of operator in Python, that is identity operator. So the first operator is called is. It is true if the operands are identical. How? We can say, let me take n equals to 10, m equals to 20. Okay. And then I take c, or I can say L equals to n. Let me print n is not m. That is my first print. Second print is n is m, or we can say n is L. Let's run the program. You can see both is true because n and m, both variables are not having the same value, same location of memory, that is true is printed, and n is L, we are checking here n is L, so 10 and 10, it is true, it is locating the same value, so that condition is true. Okay, let's see another type of operators in Python, that is membership. Membership operator, we have here in, it is true if value is found in the sequence. Okay, let's see how it works. Let me take here one real example, that is employee salary. Employee salary, it would be a list of salary, that is, let's say 1000, let's say 3000, 30,000, 4,000, 6,000. Okay, then I am taking, let's say I want to check in operator, membership operator, so I am checking, let's say any variable I can take y equals to, if I want to check in, let's say employee salary in y, if it is 1000, I want to check in this list. So how we can check this? We can check if, let's say y, the salary which I want to check into the list, that is in employee salary, then I can say print employee salary of y found in employee salary, right? Let's run it. We have to put colon as well here. Let's print it. So you could see the message is printed here. Okay, because this condition is matched. We have found y value in this employee salary list. 1000 is there in this list. So we can check the in operator. So we can check this type of scenarios in the program by using in membership operator. Let's talk about another operator, that is not in. We are taking another variable, that is p equals to, let's say 1200. I want to see whether 1200 is there or not. So I am saying p not in employee list. So employee salary of p, let me correct this statement here, not found in employee salary. So let's run the code. You see this message is also printed, employee salary of p not found in employee salary list. It means 1200 not found in this list. Okay, it is clear. Now let's see another type of operator in Python, that is ternary operator. That is very important operator. In the same line we can apply the condition ternary operator. How it works? What is ternary operator? It is also known as conditional expressions are operator that evaluates something based on the condition being true or false. It was added to Python in version 2.5. It simply allows testing a condition in a single line, replacing the multiple line if else, making the code compact, right? Let's see with an example how it works. Let's see example. M1 equals to 20, M2 equals to 30. Now we have to take another variable, that is, let me take P1 equals to, I want this assignment to be checked with some condition in the same line. Let me check. I am assigning M2 on the condition if M1 is less than to M2, else it should be M1. Let's print P1 it is 30 because M1 is less than M2. If M1 is less than M2, then it should be M2, otherwise it should M1. So M2 is assigned to P1 because this condition is true. That's why 30 is printed. Okay, let me false this condition. Let me make it bigger. This M1 variable 40. Now let's check. You see, now M1 is printed because this condition is false, and then we are taking M1 into P1, right? Now 40 is displayed.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.